Hello, everyone. This is Troy Hippolito here. Today, I kind of want to talk to you about a webinar I'm having. It's an ugly presentation, but it has some very handsome insights. It's ugly presentation, handsome insights. It's really about LinkedIn and how I'm generating business and a lot of the tricks and tools that I'm using in order to do that, and just creating a system or a kind of a daily routine and things to check out for. I'm actually getting quite a few leads, and so it's kind of a presentation with an open forum there. Just getting so many questions, I kind of decided to put this together, kind of congregate all the interest in this area. And so, if you're interested in giving a go at trying to use LinkedIn to network and to properly, develop a steady stream of new clients and stuff like that, definitely join. The link should be on the bottom. All right. Well, have a great day, and hopefully we'll see you. And we're targeting Wednesdays at 3 p.m. on Eastern. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a great day.